The whole thing about this album is the two tracks, Barbara O'Reilly and Won't Get Fooled Again, use a synthesizer in a completely different way than anyone had ever used one before, where it actually provides a rhythm. I mean, it's not just a sound, but it's a rhythm as well. To the best of my knowledge, the first time anybody had used a synthesizer like this, first of all, nobody I knew anyway knew how to work them. I mean, they were really difficult to program and get to any kind of sound out of.